Hi, I'm Martin Gander, Service to Media's Strategic Marketing Director. Over the last year, we've been really interested in a debate as to when it's best to create HTML5 based web apps and when it's better to build native apps for each targeted platform. We're interested because our M2 Active platform lets people build native apps as well as hybrids that make full use of HTML5. YouTube recently released a new HTML5 based app which we felt would be interesting to compare with the native iPhone app. So let's go and start the app. My immediate reaction is that the native app has a nicer look to it. And what do we mean by that? Well, more space between the video blocks in the native app. Scrolling is definitely more fluid. The whole thing just looks a bit easier and cleaner. When you're in the HTML5 app, you can definitely see that you're using a browser, which some people may not like. So let's go and look at the search. The native app search runs definitely a little bit faster. Also, when you look at the native app, you can see that the scroll down is endless. There's no limit to it. It just keeps going as far as you like. With the HTML5 app, on the other hand, you need to hit the Show More Videos button in order to get the same effect. So not quite such a clean and simple interface. Let's look at playing the video. The player in the native app I think just looks slicker. It's just a smoother, slicker experience. And the video also starts playing a little bit faster in the native app. It's just a little bit more efficient. Let's look at the sharing and add to options. In the HTML5 app you have a separate add to and a separate share button. In the native app they combined these, the share and the add buttons, into one button. I'd say that was better design. I'm being a bit picky, but it's a better design for me. I think they've done a good job. The native app also has cool animations when you press suggest and comment, and people like that sort of thing. Let's look at the settings. Definitely the look and feel of the settings menu of the native app is better. It's a cleaner and easier to use settings menu. So what's our overall impression of these two? Well, the HTML5 app works really well. There isn't so much to choose between the functionality in either implementation. It's a good job. But the look and feel and speed of the native app is definitely a lot better. You definitely would choose it for a user experience if you had the choice. But we believe it's good to have deployment options when you build apps. With Service to Media's app lifecycle platform, M2 Active, you can use a single shared design and code base to build either natively for multiple operating systems or incorporate HTML5 into your apps. The result is that for very little extra cost and effort, you get near native apps running on all your targeted devices that will provide a better user experience for your customers.